Okay, well, let's talk about congruent triangles. Congruent triangles happen a lot in geometry problems. So what you need to do is to know how to actually say this and all the meanings associated with it. This says triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. This symbol right here, it's an equal sign with a little swirly, like a tilde on top of it, and that means is congruent to. So when you see this, it's the same thing as a person saying is congruent to. That's the symbol for congruency. All right. When you have this statement that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, the order of the letters matter. And if somebody were to ask you, what is congruent to line segment AB? Line segment AB is congruent to, these two letters, A and B, occur in the very first beginning of this triangle ABC that it states right here. A and B will be congruent to DE. So line segment AB is congruent to line segment DE. Congruent means equal to, exactly the same. If we would say that here is triangle, let's draw triangle ABC, ABC, and let me draw a triangle D, E, and F. And if you write something, let me draw another one, CA, line segment CA. Well, remember how this was saying ABC, A to B to C. CA, line segment CA, has to be congruent to, the C is at the end, so we take F, and the A was in the beginning. We went C and then A, so it'll be F and then D. F, D. So line segment CA is congruent to line segment FD. The line segments you can get pretty easily, but it also refers, by this terminology, the individual angles. So if it said angle B is congruent to, B is the second letter in this statement. This is a given statement. In the very beginning, it'll tell you this. So angle B is in the middle, has to be congruent to angle E. We could also go through and go back and say that we could have these, the measurements of these segments will be equal because they're congruent triangles and so forth. But this is the key to the whole entire problem. The order that they say these letters in affects all the answers that are possible.